Hi, my name is Bob McHouston, and I am the Field and Operations Manager for IMS Tri Mechanical. I'd like to take a couple of minutes and talk to you about the very stable, very durable, and very consistent Bausano extruder system, with a focus on the support we and Bausano offer, driven by Bausano's multi-drive technology. This technology is the result of the Bausano's experimentation. Compared to traditional systems, the multi-drive's innovative distribution of motion also reduces the likelihood of faults due to excessive stress on mechanical components, which ensures a longer average service life cycle. Motors are managed by a single static frequency converter, an instrument capable of ensuring constant rotation and perfect synchronism, without using any additional devices. Now let's talk about hardness. Hardness is the ability of a material to resist wear, tear, and abrasion. Harder materials may be more durable, but they are also more difficult to process. Bausano uses only robust and resistant materials to give their extruders a longer life cycle than their competitors. With IMS Tri Mechanical being a strategic partner of Bausano, our customers are afforded support with specialized technicians who can respond within 24 hours or less. Bausano's headquarters are located near Turin, Italy, and has manufacturing facilities in Brazil and India, with United States Services offices based in Oswego, Illinois, Grand Rapids, Michigan, and Houston, Texas. With a unique design that greatly reduces stress on motor shafts, gears, and screws due to the lightning torque strain, the multi-drive delivers higher power to the screws. This creates the highest level of performance to the industry while increasing precision and reduce energy use. The MD Next Mover line features an all-new digital extruder control 4.0 system with a capacitive multi-touch panoramic screen. This system performs continuous screening by processing reports and graphs in real time to easily and precisely analyze extrusion parameters and usage at each stage of the production cycle. Our technicians are able to analyze this with your production managers remotely or at your plant. MD Next Mover also includes an innovative smart energy system for contactless cylinder heating. By using an alternating electromagnetic field, the new system delivers a significant reduction in wear and tear while delivering energy savings up to 35%. We offer you the advantage of local spare parts. As you know, this is a very important aspect of the plastic extrusion environment. I am talking about spare parts management. The paradigms of Industry 4.0 have contributed to greater visibility and importance to concepts such as routine, special, preventative, and predictive maintenance. As a company, IMS Tri Mechanical has always focused on these issues with our customers. When a component needs to be replaced, there is a problem. Many other extruder manufacturers or OEMs are sensitive to the control of spare parts, but mainly from a financial standpoint. So they try to minimize the costs of housing spare parts by reducing the stocks available in the warehouse. How long do you wait to receive a spare part? Have you ever calculated how much it costs you? Think about underutilized labor and lost or delayed revenues when an extruder is down and while waiting for a spare part. Here's how spare parts are managed with a Bausano system. Customer service and customer satisfaction come before any financial reasons. We can proudly say that Bausano began and still to this day continues to keep a stock of all the main spare parts for all Bausano products, even the discontinued product lines. All this allows us to shorten our customers' downtime as much as possible. Again, my name is Bob McHouston. Please email me or call me at any time with any questions or aftermarket needs. Again, we're always at your service.